cost per hire to value per hire change the narrative?
I think that's one very good shift. And here I will say, as finance professional, when you sit across with an HR team,
Mm.
finance has to play a more stronger and a prominent role in this, because traditionally you have always been, looking at talent as a cost center, and the very traditional metrics goes is what's your cost per hire, what is the revenue per cost, where these measures are very important because they help you compare, they help you look at how the trend is moving accordingly. However, if you actually look at a slightly different measure in terms of what is the value that is getting added, so converting from a cost to a value out of that investment beyond just revenue, and that could be many. If you look at it like the example I was giving a while ago, when there is any person who is leaving the organization, the team comes together
Mm.
to decide, is there a way to automate these activities, is there a way to eliminate these activities, which means you are in a way working on the cost, adding more value from that cost. If you look at these small things as your matrix along with your cost per hire and revenue per hire, which is I will say a standardized way to measure, this is certainly going to be very impactful measure than a cost oriented measure.
So that's, I think that's a major shift that is going on in the industry,
So,
right?
Prem, here, I think as leaders, I will say it is important to change the narrative. See, the narrative has to change from cost benefit to value benefit. If you look at what is the value loss of having or not having that person, that is the measure, I think, is the shift that I'm talking of.